I'm Tony Neary. I'm the Director of Education for the Haas Factory Outlets of Morris Group. What most people don't realize is that manufacturing is alive and well. It's a really prosperous time for manufacturers in the U.S. We love the fact that all of our Haas machines are manufactured in Oxnard, California, and we work with hundreds of thousands of manufacturers throughout the U.S., and they need a workforce. Manufacturing today is high-tech, it's advanced technology, it's programming, so students that have really high math skills, love gaming, Lego builders, robotics students, these are the students that really excel in machine tool technology and CNC programs today. Right now, we really need students that are coming into the pathway that are excited, talented, skilled to come and run this equipment at all of the manufacturers that we work with. The average manufacturing compensation in the U.S. right now is just over $74,000 a year. And when you compare that to student debt, it's huge.